Hi everybody, welcome back to the NAVIFORCE watch channel. Today we will have an unboxing review of our new watch, and the model number is the NF8023. Okay, now let's start. First, again, read of this black box, and here is the guarantee card for 1 year warranty period, and this one is the instruction manual. And here is the watch that we will unbox today. The NF8023 is a Quartz calendar watch. Okay, first let's have a look at the back side. From the back side, you can know the model number here, the NF8023, and the material of the back, the stainless steel, and the waterproof for 3 ATM. And our watches makes use of the hardened mirror glass so that it is very scratch resistant and durable to use. Okay, you can see the detailed parameter at the upper right screen. The case diameter of the model is 45 mm, and the thickness is 12.5 mm. The total length of this watch is 260 mm. You can notice the strap is made use of soft leather material with an easy adjusted buckle. It is very easy to wear and convenient. Okay, now let me show you more details about the dial design. Taking inspiration from the off-road racing rally competition, this watch features a red countdown design at the upper right position here, and the three-dimensional starts on a mountain motif dial. As you can see, the dial, the motif is like the mountains. And the internal CD pattern here, the outer under the numeral scale, is just like a racetrack, while full of passion and the outdoor atmosphere. Okay, now let's see the all colors of this watch. This model has 6 color schemes totally, and each one is less saturated. And here the first one is the silver blue. The blue is like the ocean, the surface, very captivating. And this one is the black white. Very cool. And this one is very hot cell color, is the silver green, just like the real mountain and the jungle. fourth one is the silver yellow. And the fifth one is the black gray. The whole color scheme is less saturated and very cool, but it is easy to wear. And the last one is the black yellow. The strap is the deep brown, very cool and classic. Okay, that's all unboxing content of the NF8023 today. Please thumb up and subscribe here, as well as follow us on the Instagram or the Facebook if you love us and want to see more interesting content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.